Hey everyone, and welcome to our newest 10-minute ab workout. So we're entering those dog days of summer where we're really challenging ourselves to keep moving and not allowing ourselves to get distracted by the heat and everything else fun that happens in the summer. So check out this awesome quick core workout with me. Hopefully you feel nice and strong and we can get our cores firing together. All right, so lay your mats out or towel wherever you are. Maybe you're on the beach this summer, and let's go ahead and get rocking. We're gonna start in plank, top of our push-up. Shoulders on top of wrists, feel your chest come forward. Just feel your heels reach back and your heart reach forward. And then start to find that light fire here through your arms and your legs. So toning through the belly, finding your core. Good, exhale when you're ready. We're gonna very slowly just start to tap the knees down and pick them up. Tap and lift, tap and lift. So again, while you're here, feel your stomach muscles lift up and find your breath. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, drop your knees down and just hold if you need to, for 3, 2, and 1, hold. Good, exhale, let's put our forearms on the mat, one and then the other. Chest reaches forward, heels reach back, find your stomach muscles again. And then we're gonna very slowly just bring our bodies forward and back. So it's called a jigsaw. So as we saw our body front to back, I want you to feel your work. Feel your core ignite. And let's do 8 and back. 7, try to keep your face up. 6, you can do this on your knees if you need to. Last 4, 3, 2, exhale, hold. Good, straighten your arms, one arm and then the other. Exhale, drop your knees. Come to seated, so I'm gonna flip over onto my back. Lay down slowly. Drive my tailbone down, inhale my arms up to the sky and my legs up to the sky, and then slowly lower everything down to hover and bring it back in. Now if this hurts your back, you can bend your knees, or you can maybe just lower your legs halfway and then reach the arms the rest of the way. You should feel this a lot in your stomach as it is challenging, especially if you're taking the whole body up, whole body down. Fullest expression, head can come up. And then you'll work from right here. Good job. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, last 2. You have 1 more and 1. Good. Hug your knees into your chest. Raise your feet to the sky. Hands behind your head, pulsing up towards those toes. You're just gonna crunch and curl. Good, so you're gonna curl up, add that little crunch at the top, pull the low belly in and down. You've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ground your feet on 1, exhale, reach up and pulse right here. So I really want you to draw in and down through your core, and then just feel yourself pulsing up and down here. Work with your breath. You've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come all the way up on 1. Good, sit tall. Pick up your feet, place your hands behind you, lift your chest up. We're gonna exhale, bend our elbows, lay our forearms down, pull everything back in. Tap and in, tap and in. Good, let's go 8, 7, 6, big reach, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Flip over onto your forearm. So I'm gonna come onto my left forearm facing you. You can be on either side. Scissor your feet, 1 foot in front of the other, and then roll your shoulders back, your chest up. Good, breathe here. Again, find your stomach, reach the top arm straight up to the sky. Exhale, dip and lift your hips. We're starting to find our obliques, so those diagonal muscles that run through our core, front and back body. Let's do 4, 3, 2, up and hold. Good, now try to lift this left leg up, or excuse me, that's your right leg, so your top leg to the sky. Hold here for 4, 3, 2, now we're just gonna come right to our forearms where we were before. Hold here. So lift your stomach, try not to sink down through those hips, keep it lifted nice and strong, and you're gonna army crawl back to your toes, and then you're gonna army crawl forward. Keep it up. Army crawl back to those toes. Good, and then you're gonna army crawl forward. Let's do one more. Army crawl back and army crawl forward. Good, now I'm just gonna shift right into the other forearm. So I'm gonna turn away from you. So now you're on your right forearm, or the other one you weren't on before. Top arm is lifted. Shoulders are stacked, reach it straight up. Find your stomach, and then we're gonna lower and lift those hips. So again, find your obliques as you lift and lower. Feel super strong here as they go up and down. Good. Let's do 4, 3, 2. Now hold here. Top leg comes up and hold. Push through the bottom of your feet. Feel your fire. Find your butt for 4, 3. Super strong. 2. Good. Exhale back onto your forearms. Chest is forward. So I want you to notice again, if you're starting to get warm, that's great. Army crawl back. 4, 3, 2. You're in dolphin. Army crawl forward. 2, 3. You're in plank. Back. 2, 3, 4. Forward. 2, 3, 4. Drop those knees. Exhale. Give us nice stretch back to child's pose. Good. And then let's flip back over onto our backs. From here, you're going to lay onto your back. Pull your knees into your chest nice and tight. Good. And then exhale, push your feet to the sky. Lay your hands next to you. Pick up your butt, put it down. Lower your legs slowly. Pull your knees to your tummy. Good. Feet to sky. Pick your butt up, put it down. Slowly lower. Knees to stomach, feet to sky. Continue. 4 more. Let's lift, lower, pull them in. 3 more. Lift, lower, and hug them in. Good. Lift, lower. Last one together. Reach up. Pick up that booty, put it down, lower the legs, knees in tight. Pick up that head, rock straight up to your boat. So super strong here in boat. Find your breath. Good. You're going to exhale, twist right, palms together. Inhale, center, exhale, twist left. Center, right, center, left. Center, right, center, left. Center, right, center. Just 3 more minutes. Center, right, center, left. Now we're going to go to center, go to right for 8, 7, 6. Put your heels down if your back hurts. You've got 4, 3, 2. Now to the left. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last 2. And 1 more. Hold center. Good. Maybe pick up those feet a little bit higher for 3, 2. Exhale down. Curl forward. Get a nice stretch in that back. Good. Now come to plank. So just bring your body forward. Step it back. Good. High plank. You're on those toes. You're on your palms. Chest is forward. Keep your stomach up and in. So not down here, feeling really strong. Good. Let's raise our right leg. Now option 1, tent up onto your left fingertips. Option 2, left arm forward. Hold 3, 2, hand down, foot down. Second side. Left leg lifts. Option 1, fingertips. This is still hard work. Make it harder. Right arm forward. 4, 3, 2. Let's do 1 more each side. Right leg up, look forward. Left arm forward. Hold 3, 2. Release. Last side. Left leg up. Right arm forward. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those knees to your chest slowly. So you're doing very slow mountain climbers, still firing through that stomach. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cross those ankles. You're going to rock back to that bottom. Lay down onto your back slowly. Go ahead and pull both knees to your chest. And then straight up with those legs. Pulse it. 10 seconds here. And then we're going to end with a series of bicycle crunches, going fast and slow for our last minute. In 3, 2, 1. So place those hands behind your head. Bend your knees. Exhale, twist, 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 twist. So get that body moving side to side. Again, if you're with me and you're outside doing this, then you'll notice I'm sweating, and maybe you are too. Now try to go faster, side to side. Good. Now slow it down. Twist, 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 twist. Now faster, side to side. Good. Keep it up, guys. You're almost done. We have 20 seconds to go here. So let's slow, slow, slow. 15 seconds, fast, go. This is your finish right here. Stay with me. Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7. This is your last 5 seconds of work. You've got 4, 3, 2. Exhale, head down, knees to tummy. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Good. Rock yourself up to seated. Now, if you want more, all you have to do is search for more core videos on my YouTube channel, or just hit replay and then do this guy again. So it's a strong 20 minutes of ab work. Nice job, guys. Keep it up, and I'll see you soon.